You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing words, including from dancing, ballet, also French, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up at the end of this video. The French pronunciation comes from French arabesque. This is why in English it is usually pronounced as arabesque, an ornament or style that employs flower, foliage or fruit. Arabesque. Arabesque from French arabesque. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.